Shri Bhagwati, manufacture customized automatic rotary vial labeling machine. An automatic rotary vial labeling machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in industries such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food and beverage to apply labels onto vials, bottles, or similar containers. Here are the key features and functions of such a machine. Automation. As the name suggests, these machines are fully automatic, meaning they can perform the labeling process with minimal manual intervention. This automation improves efficiency, consistency, and throughput, making it suitable for high-volume production lines. Rotary design. The machine typically has a rotary configuration, where the vials are transported along a circular path to undergo the labeling process. This design allows for continuous operation and high-speed labeling. Overall, an automatic rotary vial labeling machine is a sophisticated solution for high-speed, high-precision labeling of vials and similar containers in industrial settings.